What if I told you that not everyone is happy about Liema winning Big Brother? And one of the loudest reactions came from MacG himself. Yeah, things got awkward real fast on Podcast and Chill. Today we're breaking down MacG's reaction to Liema beating Thandeka, and trust me, it sparked a serious debate. So, during a recent episode of Podcast and Chill, the conversation shifted to the Big Brother results, and that's when things got interesting. As soon as Liema's win came up, MacG didn't hold back. Instead of celebrating, he jumped in and made it clear he believes Thandeka deserved the win more. Now, here's where it gets personal. MacG revealed that his wife had been actively campaigning for Thandeka, putting in real effort to support her. So when Thandeka lost, it clearly hit close to home. In fact, MacG even tried calling his wife during the show to check up on her, but she didn't pick up. And that led him to assume that she was probably emotional, maybe even crying some way. That moment alone had people talking because it showed just how invested some fans were in this outcome. But not everyone on the podcast agreed. Sol Phenduka stepped in with a different take, saying Liema deserved the win fair and square. He pointed out something a lot of people needed to hear, that fans talk a lot online, but when it's time to actually vote, many don't show up. And at the end of the day, Big Brother is about votes. So if Liema won, it means the supporters came through. Now, outside the podcast, fans also had their own opinions. One comment that stood out was about sponsorship. Since Podcast and Chill is linked to Chilli's Punch, a sponsor of the show, some people felt it wasn't professional for anyone associated with the brand to openly support a specific housemate. So the argument here is that sponsors should stay neutral and let viewers decide without influence. And honestly, that's where the debate gets even deeper. Personally, I see both sides. But I do feel like when you're in a position of influence, especially as a sponsor, staying neutral is the safer move. At the same time, Liema clearly had the votes and that can't be ignored. But now I want to hear from you. Did Liema deserve the win, or do you agree with MacG that Thandeka should have taken it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.